तक का ट्रैवल। Importance of investigation. That's why there is importance of investigation. कि कौन से लोकेशन पे ऑक्सीजन का फ्लो डैमेज हो रहा है, सेल्यूलर ऑक्सीडेशन जो है हैम्पर हो रहा है। Investigation and vital force. So from homeopathic point of view, investigations are useful to understand the active miasm in the patient. They give us the pathology, that is inflammation, effusion, necrosis or whatever. In short, all these investigations are aimed at mapping of damaged vital energy, oxygen energy has undergone. So through investigation we can map it. Vital energy derangement, that is origin of pathology. Each and every cell requires oxygenated blood for its activity, that is aerobic respiration. When oxygen supply, vital energy to a part or as a whole is altered due to any kind of pathological or environmental reason, it will lead to mild, moderate or severe injury to the cell depending upon the duration of oxygen lack. So यहाँ से मायाज्म के बारे में भी पता चल सकता है कि कितने ड्यूरेशन के लिए वो लैक था। That's why कितना सीवियर वो मायाज्म है। Metabolism disturb is due to damaged mitochondria. Energy required for functioning of every single cell is obtained from metabolism in mitochondria with the pivotal role of oxygen. When the microcirculation of tissue is damaged by any of the mechanical, chemical, microbacterial, environmental or by reactive oxygen species, aerobic metabolism is disturbed. As a result, short-term anaerobic metabolism result, which will barely provide any energy. It causes accumulation of harmful byproducts and lactic acid, initiating the vital derangement, that is the disease process starts. So first, there is cell damage by mechanical, chemical, microbacterial environment or reactive oxygen species. Then there is aerobic metabolism is disturbed, oxygen supply to a part or as a whole is altered, which lead to mild, moderate or severe injury to cells depending upon the duration of oxygen lack, which hampers the metabolism is disturbed, is due to damaged mitochondria. As a result, aerobic metabolism result, which will barely provide any energy, accumulation of harmful byproduct, lactic acid, initiating vital derangement, that is the disease process. So this is the cycle of disease, how it's formed. And the effect of metabolic acidosis upon the body. So in treatment, the basic dysfunctions begin at such a micro level. Cell require medicine which will carry out correction at the same level. So माइक्रो सेल्युलर लेवल पे मेडिसिन का एक्शन होना चाहिए, वैसा ही मेडिसिन हमको ढूंढना है. So the dynamic potential of homeopathic medicine is only capable